motion is on the need to address the erosion menace in Agwata local government area of Anambra State. The House notes that Agwata local government area has 13 active erosion sites which are eating up houses, farmlands, and threatening roads in Umumonye, Umueze, Oga, Umushiana, Ekulobia, Umuolu, Oga, Ezionye Ako, Agoku, Ezinifite, Umugama, Umuchu, Ogu, Osete, Umuchu, Amo Balanwa, Umueleke, Achina, Umueziyi, Achina, Ifite, Aguleze, Chukwu, Umumono, Igbuokwu, Uhuala, Agboelu, Ugwuakwu, Agbo.
Second, the motion heavily moved by my colleague, Honorable Chukwuma Omoji. I so second, Mr. Speaker.
Omoji, please lead the debate.
Frightening. Throughout this vacation period, I was moving from one erosion site to the other. But the most frightening one is that there is an ongoing one now. In the last week, over 3 houses were eaten up by the erosion. And in less than 4 days, about 2 plots of land has gone in. From the point where I stood to watch the erosion, I went back again. The house and the tree near there has gone in. Even today, more calls are still coming in, that some houses are still giving in. And the terrible thing about the first erosion site, the one at Oga, is that it is in a densely populated area. And as we speak today, the people displaced are being camped in a primary school near a church, very close to the erosion site. And as we speak again, the erosion site at Achina has severed the road completely, so that there is no communication between people of the same community that are connected by that road. And the wonderful thing that I'm beginning to see, if we can call it wonderful, is that as we are reporting and visiting a site of what we are seeing, people are calling you to come to the other side and see what is happening. And the problem is enormous, because this is the rainy season. It is difficult for people who are displaced to gather their lives together again. And these are agrarian families. The worst of all is that most of them who are supposed to go back to school cannot go back to school. And a traditional ruler called me that they do not know where to go to, because most of the people, their lands are being eaten up, do not have any other land where they can even locate tomorrow. And another thing is that the graveyard, the shrines, and whatever you know in these communities are going in. So I will plead with our colleagues to please not add more to this burden, so that the problem of Agwata will be taken once and addressed. I'm pleading, because my constituents they are disturbing, and they believe that if I present this issue before the House, that it will be addressed. They are not asking for much, and we need to care for our people. And we have debated that on the issue of South Africa. But this is what is going on now as we speak. So I plead with my colleagues to support this motion, so that I will be able to go back home and not be stoned. I thank you, Mr. Speaker, for the audience.
Aye. Those against it say nay. The ayes have it.